There's exactly two beliefs that predict whether an advisor will succeed selling annuities in AUM completely virtual, and one of them has nothing to do with sales skills, product knowledge, or even your market. It's something either you walk in with or you have to build. And the timeline for your success depends entirely on which one you're missing right now. After working with thousands of advisors and agents over the past decade, I've seen every type of advisor walk through the door. PhDs who'd never sold a thing in their life, writing six figures in their first month, and experienced salespeople who struggled for 2 years before breaking through. The difference, it wasn't talent, it wasn't training, it wasn't even effort. It was which of these two beliefs they brought with them and which one they were missing. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what these two beliefs are, how to figure out which one you need to build, and what that means for your timeline. Now, let me tell you about two people who joined our program around the same time. The first was a PhD nurse from Florida. He had zero annuity experience, never sold an annuity before in his life, and his entire career was actually in healthcare. Now, the second was an experienced agent. 10 years in the business, knew the products, had the licenses, had done it all before. Within 30 days, the PhD nurse had ROI'd on his investment and was writing business consistently. The experienced agent still struggling to get transaction 6 months later. Now, here's what's crazy. They had access to the same training, the same systems, the same support. So what was the difference between them? The difference really comes down to two beliefs. I call them messenger belief and message belief. Messenger belief is your credibility with yourself. It's the belief that says, I take things in, I apply them, and I win. And it's built through cycles of learning something, applying it, and succeeding in any domain. Now, message belief is your competence in what you're offering. For us, that means retirement planning with annuities and AUM, virtual selling, and the specific strategies that we teach. Now, here's why this matters. That PhD nurse, he had massive messenger belief. He'd spent years learning, applying, and winning. Getting a doctorate proves you can do that. But he had zero message belief. He didn't know anything about our industry. The experienced agent, he had some message belief. He kind of knew the products, but his messenger belief was shaky. He'd never really proven to himself that he could take on something new and really master it. So which belief is more valuable? If you could only have one, which one would you choose to have? Well, think about it like this. Imagine you're hiring someone for your team. You have two candidates, right? Candidate A has the exact experience you need. They've done this before, but every time they've tried to learn something new in their career, they've struggled and eventually quit. And then you have candidate B, right? Has never done this specific job, but they have a track record of mastering new things. They got their degree. They built a business. They learned a language. Whatever it is, when they decide to learn something, they figure it out. Who do you hire? You hire candidate B every time because you can teach the job. You can't teach the ability to learn, especially quickly with great effect and results. Here's what I've learned after 10 years of doing this. If I could only choose one belief for someone to walk in with, I'd always choose messenger belief. Why? One, it transfers across industries. A PhD in biochemistry, a successful business owner, a military officer, right? They all have proven that they can learn, apply, and win. And that transfers. Two, message belief is teachable. We can train anyone retirement planning, annuities, and virtual selling. That's what our systems are for. Three, people with messenger belief naturally iterate until they win. They've proven to themselves they can figure things out, so they don't quit when it gets hard. You see, Scott, a PhD in biochemistry, $120,000 annuity written in his first 6 weeks. Right? Kevin, strong work ethic, proven track record. He'll tell you he's a slow learner. It doesn't matter. He wins anyway because he had messenger belief from his prior success in disability insurance sales. John, Mark, Brandon, Other advisors all came in with both beliefs and they ramped up very fast. They just needed to iterate on the message, and we teach that. Now, I don't have time to walk through all of them, but let me highlight John. John issued $2 million in annuities selling completely virtual in his first 4 months with us. And here's what John is expecting to do in his first full year with us.
Like I have my hit list of things that must be accomplished right now. I was trying to write a document that then I could send out to the client or even in a slideshow presentation within my Roth campaign and
Yep.
say, hey, why do you want a Roth convert? This is why future taxes might go up. Why do you need to protect your money? Why do you need to worry about sequence of return risk? Just in juice box, I don't see why I couldn't write 8 million in Roth
Yeah,
Rescue for 2026. That seems like a reasonable goal.
I think it is for sure. Let's do it. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I don't have either of these beliefs, I got good news and challenging news for you. Let me tell you about Don. 2 years ago, Don joined our program with neither of these beliefs really developed. No clear track record of mastering new things, no experience really in financial services, not with a high level of results at the very least. And I'll shoot you straight. There were many points along the way in this journey for Don that were hard. Financial pressure, uncertainty, the temptation to quit. I've seen a lot of people quit at points where Don kept going. This month, Don was our agent of the month, 1.6 million in annuity production, another 1.6 million coincidentally in the pipeline. 2 years from neither belief to a top producer. The difference, fortitude, perseverance, and the willingness to stay in the game long enough for both of these beliefs to develop. Here's what nobody tells you about building these beliefs. If you come in with strong messenger belief, your timeline is typically shorter. You already trust yourself to figure things out, and you just need to teach and learn the message. If you come in with neither, your timeline is longer. You're building two things at once, the skills and the self-trust. Both paths work. Don is proof of that, and countless others are too. But here's where most people really get tripped up. How many people invest 4 years and $100,000 plus in a college degree without questioning their ROI? They accept the timeline, right? They trust the process. They know they're becoming something, but then they expect professional development to pay off like in a program we have in 90 days. And when it doesn't, they quit. I spent a lot of money on programs that didn't financially ROI myself, my journey. I'm well over 7 figures investing in my personal development outside of traditional education at this point. And I've always ROI'd on something else when it wasn't financial. I became the asset. I learned what not to do. I learned I was further from the end result than I thought and therefore needed to develop, and that the information alone wasn't going to close the gap. That's how you build messenger belief through cycles of learning, applying, sometimes failing, and ultimately iterating until you win, even when the winning is just learning a hard lesson. So let me ask you a real question. Do you have the perseverance and fortitude to go through the journey of developing these two beliefs? Because here's the truth. Many people quit along the way. Dawn didn't, Kevin didn't, Kyle didn't. Even if we dig deeper, that perseverance is present with pretty much every success story we've ever encountered. And I can't tell you which one you'll be. It's often said that the teacher appears when the student is ready, but sometimes, even when you become aware of the teacher, the student still isn't ready. You want what we offer, but you're really not ready for it because you're not willing to commit and go all in on these two beliefs. There's more work to be done. You're not yet prepared to commit and push through this entire journey that is ahead of you based on where you currently stand with your two beliefs. And let's be frank, that's okay. But you need to know where you stand right now. Here's how to figure out which belief you need to build. For messenger belief, ask yourself this: have I mastered something difficult before? A degree, a business, skills, a certification. But here's the key filter: did you apply it and win with it? Getting the degree isn't enough. Did you win more because of it? Starting a business isn't enough. Did you win more because of it? The cycle has to be complete when you learned, you applied, and you got a better result, financially or otherwise. Merely consuming information that didn't lead to a new behavior and a new result, that's not the cycle. Now ask yourself, when I commit to learning something, do I follow through? Do I have evidence that I can take information and turn it into results? If yes, you probably have messenger belief. Your job is to learn the message and trust the process. Now, for message belief, ask yourself, do I understand this industry? Retirement planning, annuities, virtual selling. Have I done this successfully before? Do I have conviction in what I'm offering? Yes, you have message belief. Your job is to build credibility with yourself through small wins. If you have neither, understand that your timeline is longer. Not impossible, right? Dawn is just the most recent example of that, but you need to be honest about where you're starting. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Your success in this business, or really any business, comes down to two beliefs: your credibility with yourself and your competence in what you're offering. If you have messenger belief, you can learn anything. Find the right training, trust the process, and iterate until you win. If you don't have it yet, that's the first thing to build. Start small, learn something, apply it, win, repeat. And if you're looking for a system that builds both of these beliefs, that's what we do. We don't just teach the message, we build the messenger too. What I want you to do is, watch this video next to see how our system actually works, or check the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.